Alright guys, welcome back. Gonna do another quick video. I've got everything already tested and packaged up and getting ready to box this stuff up. So with this setup here, we got a 6-row set of rings. Okay, we've got hood kit. Alright, hood strips. So 3 of 3, 1 of 3, 2 of 3. Hood strips and hood vent strips. Cores to go with it. We've got a rear fin light here. Okay, cords to go with it. I've got the Mega Eyebrow, which is a 10-piece eyebrow set, 5 on each side. Alright. So all these are ready to go. This is your lower bumper. This is the fin, if you will, right above the lower bumper, the diagonal strip, the strip that goes under the headlight, and then the one that goes the full wraparound on the grill. You've seen that in some of the other videos and on my Slingshot. Then we got I got underbody kit. All right, so this is the extra large underbody kit, and so we were doing 40-inch strips on the standard and 60 on the extra large, and so we bumped those up to 72. So a lot more bang for your buck at no additional charge to you. And then I've got mirror strips. All right, so and a body, your body strips. All right, so your body strips, your side body strips, will go right up under the mirror where the fender is against the body, and then it goes all the way down at a slow angle to the back of the Slingshot. So that's a really, really long piece. One of those on each side, and of course the mirror strips. So a whole bunch of stuff here is getting ready to go out. I got all this. I got the control box set up with the controllers. One controller does all of this. One controller, one remote, which is your phone, one application. No going back and forth, signing in and out of different applications, signing in and out of different controllers. You don't have to do all that, not with me anyway. So anyway, just want to show this off real quick, getting ready to get all this stuff boxed up. I've got a lot more stuff getting ready to go and more to work on. So if you're interested, shoot me a link. I'll send you all the prices for everything. Some of it's on the website. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be glad to go over them with you. So really appreciate you guys' support. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. Thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video.